Hey, welcome back. So you have your balls, I hope, and if you don't, go grab them because you'll need them for this video. We are going to be working along the back side of the leg. We're going to start at the ankle. Now, today I'm using the next size up of Yoga Tune-Up balls. These are the Yoga Tune-Up Plus ball size. And I prefer this size for the rest of the body. I like the original balls for the feet and then use the plus for the rest of my body. Okay, I like to start by actually leaving the balls in the tote, and I'm gonna take my very back heel, the calcaneus bone, and I'm just going to rub it along that little area. This is a really hard area to get, actually. So it's pretty nice that the balls are trapped inside of the tote bag and can't go anywhere. And you can really loosen things up. Remember that you have the plantar fascia, and that goes up into each of the toes. It comes around, becomes the Achilles tendon, then becomes the gastrocnemius and soleus muscle. It's all one piece of tissue though. So loosening it up in any of these places actually loosens it up all over. So that's one of the reasons why we really want to make sure we get into each of these places. So from here, I've done this just a little bit, and then I can go side to side. I'm actually just going to now come down into the ankle. If this feels fine and I need to add a little bit of pressure, I can certainly add my other foot across the top. I can even lift my heels. But since that makes it harder for you to see, I'm actually going to do it this way for now. I'm going to first begin with sustained compression and breath. I'm just relaxing. And as my nervous system gets used to the feel of that, then I can add in some side to side movement. Don't forget, I can add more pressure by adding in the foot. If I find a spot that seems particularly tense, I can just hang out there and breathe. It may take a breath or two or three until it starts to relax a little bit. But once it does, then I can move on to another point. Feel free to get creative. I can roll my ankle around. I can even go up and down a little bit, but I don't find that nearly as effective as a side-to-side motion and the use of breath. Again, there is no wrong way to do this, so you don't have to worry about that. Just use your intuition, use your gut. I'm slowly crawling up the calf, taking some time to compress and relax each time I move up slightly. Once it's relaxed, I'm going to go side to side. And then if I find a spot that feels like it needs a little extra attention, I'm going to hang out right there. And then I'm going to move up just a tiny bit more and repeat. I'm going to repeat this entire sequence all the way up till I get to just before the knee joint. And then I'm going to do the other side. When I'm done with that, I am going to stretch. You've now told the nervous system that you'd like a little bit of relaxation through there. Now you need to prove it. So I'm going to actually just use the balls for this since they happen to be handy. And I'm going to place my heel down. My midfoot is on the ball. And then making sure that I'm stacked ankle over knee over hip. I can just fold myself over. You may not even need to fold over. You could just feel it just by standing and leaning forward slightly. All right, give it a try and let me know what you think.